Welcome to Coffee and Crafting. My name is Lori. If you enjoy DIYs, thrift makeovers, and home decor on a budget, then I hope you will join my DIY family and discover some new and fresh ideas for your home. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. I have 3 new high-end farmhouse country wall or door hangings made with items from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I am so excited to share these with you today. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove the sticker on the front. I'll paint it with the ivory chalk paint from Waverly and give it 2 coats of paint. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. I'm going to cut a piece from a rug that I had on hand from another DIY. This rug has a great texture to it. The quality is excellent and will look really beautiful on this project. I'll lay the pan on top of the rug and turn it over. I'll trace the pan onto the rug and then cut half of the circle out. I'll glue the rug piece to the edge of the pan to make a pocket. Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and click the subscribe button and notification bell so you are notified when I upload any new videos. And you can give me thumbs up by clicking the like button. This does help my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY you like the most. Thanks everyone. I have some nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. I'll glue it around the edge of the pizza pan. I found a really good quality and thick wood hello sign from Walmart. I'll stain it with the antique wax from Waverly. Come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. Then I'll glue the wood hello sign to the pocket. I have a bundle of eucalyptus stems from Walmart. I'll cut the pieces from this big stem and glue 2 pieces on the rope at the top of the pan. And to finish this DIY, I have a beautiful pinkish dahlia flower from Walmart. I'll remove the head from the stem and glue it between the eucalyptus. I love how this DIY turned out. It has a beautiful, elegant, high-end farmhouse shabby look to it. You can add flowers or greenery inside the pocket. For this DIY, I have a bicycle wheel wreath from the Dollar Tree.
and a bundle of eucalyptus stems from Walmart, and I'll cut the stems from the bundle. I'll attach the eucalyptus stems to the wheel with a piece of floral wire. I'll wrap the wire at the bottom of the stem, curving the eucalyptus around the side of the wheel, wrapping another piece of floral wire at the top of the stem. I'll do this for all 3 pieces of eucalyptus.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
I have another beautiful dahlia stem from Walmart. I'll cut the stem to fit the wheel and place it in between the eucalyptus.
Let me feel your love again.
And I'll use a piece of floral wire to attach it.
Running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a
I have 2 paper flowers that I had on hand. I'm not sure where I found these. I've had them for quite a while.
kissing under
I'm going to cut the stems to fit the wheel, and I'll attach both flowers with a piece of floral wire.
staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
I found a round half wood piece at a thrift store. I'll glue it in the center of the wheel. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a perfect piece for this DIY.
All that time away from you. I didn't think
I'm going to use some ribbon from the Dollar Tree and some lace that I had on hand. I'll cut 2 pieces each to make a messy bow.
just the 2 of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights.
I'll lay the lace and ribbon one at a time and crisscross them to make an X.
Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
I'll use a piece of floral wire and tie it in the center to form the messy bow. I'll attach the messy bow at the bottom of the eucalyptus on the side of the wheel. And to finish this DIY, I'll glue a paper flower in the center of the messy bow. This DIY was so simple and easy to make, and I love the warmth of the colors, and the textures definitely give it a high-end and elegant look. And this is going to be very stylish in any room. It's definitely one of my favorites that I've made so far. For this DIY, I have a wood hanging decor piece from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint the wood piece with the moss chalk paint from Waverly. I'm going to use my sanding block to sand the paint around the edges to bring out the natural wood color. I was so happy when I found the Be Happy wall decor sticker at the Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, they only had the one, but I was lucky to find it. I'll take the entire sticker and place it on the front of the wood piece. And to finish this DIY, I'll glue 2 pieces of the boxwood greenery at the top and a cream color flower in the center of the greenery. This DIY was easy and simple to make. I'm always saying to people, be happy. So this is the perfect sign for me. I hope I have inspired you today with some new fresh decor projects for your home. Again, I want to say thank you to everyone for being here and supporting my channel. It means the world to me. And I hope to see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day and bye for now.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreaming.